property is often offered with most interior fittings done, but some homeowners like to personalize its interior design according to their lifestyle or the design they prefer. These minor changes done may be minor addition and alteration works. According to Urban Redevelopment Authority, URA, of Singapore, A&A works and reconstruction work is regarded differently, although A&A closely resembles reconstruction work. What is A&A works? According to URA, A&A works are minor works done that do not increase the home's total floor area by more than 50%. These minor renovations to existing properties must not affect the foundation and structure of a property. These works include renovation, minor repair, maintenance, changes to the roof, floor tiles, repainting, additions of ceiling, and partition walls. A&A works versus reconstruction. A&A includes minor repairs and renovation works, while reconstruction is rebuilt and tearing down the whole property. You can distinguish these two by the extent of their construction work to be done. It is regarded as reconstruction if the new project involves the total floor area of the house as more than 50% of the existing total floor area, if the structural elements that are removed, replaced, or added are 50% or more of the current structural elements, if there is an increase in the building's story height, and if the construction results in a change on the land-dwelling house form, for example, turning a semi-detached house to a detached house, regardless of whether the work exceeds half of the existing building or not, it is also called reconstruction. The construction is considered as A&A works if it doesn't exceed 50% of the current house. It is important to distinguish these two as they have different planning submission requirements.